Did something go wrong with your website? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore your backup on Hostinger. Whether it's a plugin issue, a broken update, or an accidental deletion, restoring a backup can bring your site back to life in minutes. Let's dive in and get your site running smoothly again. Log in to your Hostinger account and go to Website. In the website, click the Manage. In the Manage, find the files, and under the files, find the backups and click it. Now here at the backups, you can select the files backups and click it. Now you can find the files you want to be back by clicking it and click the restored files. And that's how you restore a backup on Hostinger quick, simple, and stress-free. Always remember to back up your site regularly to avoid major headaches later. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!